Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Explorer door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a small flathead, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small trim piece behind the interior door handle. Once that's off, you'll find 2 screws inside the door pull handle recess. Remove those carefully. This sets the stage for accessing more fasteners. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry up the entire window switch panel. Be gentle to avoid scratching the plastic. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors from its underside. These usually have small tabs you press to release them. After the switch panel is out, look for any additional screws that were hidden beneath it and remove them. Now, thoroughly check along the bottom and sides of the door panel for any remaining screws you might have missed. Once all screws are out, insert your trim removal tool between the door panel and the metal door frame. Work your way around the perimeter, gently prying outwards to release the plastic retaining clips. You'll hear them pop as they come loose, which is normal. With all clips released, carefully lift the entire door panel upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Then, you'll need to disconnect the door handle cable and any remaining electrical connectors for things like the door light or speaker. Take a moment to inspect all the clips for damage. Replacing any broken ones will ensure a snug fit when you reassemble. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.